How to find TikTok Shop promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in TikTok Shop promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for TikTok Shop. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 45% off, 50% off, $100 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. After you get the code, make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on redeem at TikTok Shop. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can log into your account and use this code. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for TikTok Shop. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for TikTok Shop. So this is how you can easily find TikTok Shop working promo codes and discount codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.